Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is covert. It is pronounced covert and spelt C-O-V-E-R-T. Think cove, like a small bay, and then R-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Covert means done in a secretive, hidden manner, often in a way that is not easily detected. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not open, obvious, or transparent. For example, you could say, the agent was assigned a covert mission and had to keep his true identity a secret. Or, the villain's covert actions were illegal. The word covert comes from the Middle English word couvert, which means covered, referring to something or someone that is done secretly or unobtrusively. In the movie Spy Kids, the main characters, Carmen and Junie, undertake secretive covert missions as they navigate the world of espionage and save the world from evil forces. Synonyms for covert are secretive, hidden, undercover, and unobtrusive. Antonyms for covert include open, obvious, transparent, and overt. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, covert. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus exam Daily Vocab Show.